BlastKing provide different types of pass-through sound blasting unit. This sound blasting unit with a width of 1,000 millimeters, and this width is 600 millimeters, and this unit is 1,000 millimeters. For all the horizontal conveyor belt, we use the high-resistant rubber belt conveyor system. This rubber belt can last more than 10 years. The thickness is around 20 millimeters. Contact Amy to get your special sound blasting unit.